Go.
What's up, guys? This is Spanky over here at Post Bikes in Brooklyn, New York, and I'm here to show you my bike check. First off, I want to start with the frame. It's a 2011 Cardinal E-Man frame. The top tube is 20.8, and the back end is 13.5 slammed. And I'll move over here to my bars. They're Animal Sway bars. I mean, they're comfortable and whatnot. And I'm running a S&M top load stem XLT. Got an Animal headset, and over here we got a Odyssey dirt fork. And moving over to my cranks, I have the Odyssey Twombo 175 millimeters with Odyssey plastic pedals, and Vinny light 25 tooth Animal sprocket with Odyssey Bluebird chain. Moving over to my back rim, I got a Sun rim laced to the G Sport with the G Sport hub guard, and riding 4 Odyssey pegs, and with two 2.25 fit red walls. My front rim, Sun rim with the simple eject 2 hub guards, and again with the 2.25 fit tire. And moving over to my seat, Shadow fat seat with a little post kink. And moving over to my grips, Fly Ruben grips with grip gloves and Animal Barton. And that's mainly it. The bike is around 23 pounds, it's pretty light, and that's it. Thanks for my bike check.